Abstract concepts are those concepts that don't have a definite form and shape. Hence, they can be really tricky to learn. As a result, very tricky to teach indeed. So, such abstract concepts exist a lot in grammar. What do we do then? We can concretize those abstract concepts. Concrete concepts are those that can be touched, felt, seen, and understood easily. So, convert the abstract concept into concrete concepts. How do we do that? We bring about analogies, that is, comparison between one abstract concept and a concrete concept, which are very similar to each other, to make it easy. As an example, I have taken the very abstract concept of parts of speech and I have tried to concretize it by comparing it with something more concrete. I asked my student to draw a human body with various parts and then even label as many parts as she could. She's drawn a human body, named all the parts, and she also described the functions of each part. After establishing that human body has parts and each part performs a function, compare this concrete concept with the abstract concept of speech. Similarly, speech has parts and each part of speech performs a specific function. Let's explore all these functions in brief. Nouns perform the function of naming. They name anything and everything around us, like people, places, animals, things, and even ideas and concepts. Pronouns. They take the place of a noun in a sentence. They kind of like to give nouns a break every now and then and let them rest for a while. Adjectives provide with more details about a noun, like they can be describing the color, how it looks, the size, or even how many are they, telling us about the number. Verbs show actions like running or runs, dance, sing, walking, etc. Or even states of being. Words like am, is, are, were, or some of the words that show states of being. Adverbs provide more details about verbs. The word add, verbs, adding to verbs. They also provide details to adjectives or other adverbs. Conjunctions perform the function of connecting, bringing together other words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Words like and, or, but, because perform that function. Prepositions show a relationship between the noun or a pronoun and other words. Look at the example. I run in the morning. The relationship between run and morning is shown with the preposition in. Next example. I am under a tree. The relationship between I and tree is shown with the preposition under. Interjections, my personal favorite, they perform the functions of expressing emotions and feelings. Ah, it was so lovely doing this lesson.